Hi, I'm Gordon Marley. I'm the president of Dry Ice Works. We are an industrial cleaning contractor that utilizes dry ice blasting as our method of cleaning. We clean a lot of different things, but our niche market is actually industrial machinery cleaning. We can clean weld cells, presses, conveyor lines, injection molds, robots. Recently, we were at a longtime customer, MMBS in Livonia, Michigan, cleaning robots. These robots tend to be one of three different types: weld cell robots, paint environment robots, or wash environment robots. They come into MMBS needing repair, but a lot of times they are so gunked up that we have to go in and clean them first so they can even determine what might be wrong with them. On this particular day, we were cleaning Fanuc robots. They were from a wash environment, meaning they'd been bathed in a lot of chemicals. We needed to remove all that so MMBS could determine what needed to be repaired. There were 3 robots for us to clean. We had 2 blast units going. After we've cleaned what we can reach the way they're positioned, MMBS will send a high-low out. They'll actually lift them up so we can get the underneath sides very well, make sure that all surfaces are clean. One of the great things about dry ice blasting is we can actually get into tight, small areas difficult to reach with other processes. And we can get into these tight areas without negatively affecting them, because as soon as the dry ice hits, it goes from a solid to a gas. With that kinetic energy, as these pellets are getting under the contaminant and exploding, those explosions are what brings the contaminant off the substrate. Although we're showcasing robotics cleaning in this particular video, we can do historical preservation work, we can do fire restoration work. The list grows almost daily in uses that we find for dry ice cleaning. For more information, please visit our website at www.dryiceworks.com or feel free to call us at 800-451-8684.